Breadsticks.
Breadstick. Come here.
Oh, you're such a good breadsticks. And then barbecue sauce is over there with the duckies. We're calling them Group B, consisting of 3 turkeys, 3 ducks, breadsticks, and barbecue sauce. And then this is the Brahma bitches, which have all been good, except for, what did you call the brown one? What's its name? What? Oh, Brown Brahma, yeah. Brown Brahma wanted to be rooster-like, so I had to be in control and be rooster-like and put her down so she knew to leave them alone.
I feel like the eagles want to go out there.
Let them do what they want. So turkey lurkeys. Got a little bit of emu butt there. I can see through the crack. Yeah, there they are. Good babies. The majestic Staffordshire Terrier in his native habitat. Also with the non-native species, Brahma chicken. Look, this is my dog opening the door. See how smart he is? He just opened that door.
I just really didn't mean to crack that egg right there on the floor. I accidentally just stepped.
See that? He just opened it so he could go in there and poop. He knows where to fertilize. I'll save you the aftermath.
I stepped on egg by accident. It's over there. They don't seem to care. They don't.
Breadstick, barbecue sauce.
They're kind of slightly learning.
Yeah. My babies, I love you. Little chunkers.
The other ones are drinking from that one because this one's out of water.
Mm-hmm. That's why there's 2. So they are doing well in their new home.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't touch me. No. They're all heading for the water. I'm pretty sure it's because these dudes drank out of this one and they emptied this one. And some of them drink out of that one. So they've been drinking out of this one instead of this one. It's because of all of you. Oh, hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh, you're so fluffy. You're very fluffy. You're very fluffy.
Oh, problem child. Just snuck in.
Where did you come from? Come here.
Problem child just does what problem child wants.
That's why her name's Problem Child. No, Samson, don't you dare attack that chicken.
Samson!
The chicken is not your problem. The ducks are all awake.
Hey!